I want to show you what my content routine actually looks like on a regular day. Not a big batch creation day, not a planning day, just a regular Tuesday or Thursday when I've got maybe 30 minutes and I need to make sure my business keeps moving. Not a planning day, just a regular Tuesday or Thursday when I've got maybe 30 minutes and I need to make sure my business keeps moving. Because here's what nobody talks about in the digital marketing space. Most days are not big, productive 4-hour sessions. Most days are stolen moments, a half hour before the kids wake up, 20 minutes during which, an hour after everyone goes to sleep. This is how I keep a whole business running in those stolen moments. Like I'm literally recording now while everybody's asleep. So if my volume, I seem a little low, try to adjust the volume for me, please. Hello, I'm Afiya. I'm a single mom building a faceless digital marketing business in no time and sharing all of it. Real quick, everything I mentioned today, my free guide, my stand store, the content routine, all the links are in the description. Scroll down after this and grab what you need. Okay, 30 minutes. Let me show you exactly what I do with them. So here's something that changed everything for me early on. I stopped thinking I needed big blocks of time to build my business. I used to tell myself I'd work on it when I had a real chunk of time, a few hours on the weekends, a quiet afternoon. And you know what happened? That time never came. Or when it did, I was too tired to use it well. So I made myself a deal. 30 minutes a day, every day, that's it. And I build a routine around those 30 minutes that keep everything moving. The key is batch creation. I'm not creating new content every single day. I'm creating it in bulk once a week and then spending my 30 minutes maintaining, engaging, and planning. Here's exactly what those 30 minutes look like. First 10 minutes of my content routine is what I call check and respond. I open Instagram first. I check my comments. I check my DMs. I reply to anyone who engaged with yesterday's post. This matters more than most people realize. Responding to comments is one of the strongest signals you can send to the Instagram algorithm. It tells the platform that your content is generating real conversation, and it tells the person who commented that there's a real human on the other side of this content. I don't write long responses. Sometimes it's just a question back, you know, sometimes it's just a warm acknowledgement, but I show up every day in the comments. Then I check TikTok, same thing, and of course YouTube as well. So 10 minutes, but then 10 minutes build relationships over time. Now let me see if I can find one with the comments. Okay, so this one's for me, and you will learn to do that once you start posting. This helps the algorithm. Let's see if this one has. Here we go. So we have some interaction here. This was my comment to this creator, and this creator is also faceless. So it's really nice when other creators kind of spend time and give kudos to others in the same field. And I'll speak about this a little bit later because engaging with those within your niche can also help feed the algorithm in your favor. Okay. Every single day, I spend 10 minutes building one small piece of my business forward. One specific small thing, not a vague work on content, just one thing. Some days it's writing one caption for next week's batch. Some days it's updating one section of my Notion. Other days it's recording one short for YouTube. And then on others it's drafting one follow-up email. One thing, 10 minutes every day. And here's what that looks like over time. 7 days a week means 7 things built. 30 days means 30 things. 3 months means 90 things. 90 small things built consistently over 3 months is a real business. Not a big dramatic launch, not a viral moment. Just 30 minutes a day, every day, stacked on top of each other. That's the whole secret. So let me just lay it all clean so you can take this and make it yours. Minutes 1 through 10, check and respond. Instagram, TikTok, Threads, whatever platform you're using. Reply to every comment, respond to every relevant DM. Minutes 11 through 20, post and engage. Confirm your scheduled post went out. Spend a few minutes engaging with accounts in your niche on each platform. Minutes 21 to 30, build one thing. Pick one small task from your business and move it forward. That's 30 minutes. That's the whole routine. Now, can you do more on days when you have more time? Absolutely. But you never have to do more than 30 minutes to keep your business alive and moving forward. And knowing that, really knowing it, takes so much pressure off. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to post everything yourself in the moment. You just have to show up for 30 minutes and let the system do the rest. And if you want help building that system, the content calendar, the Canva templates, the buffer schedule, the Notion setup, I offer a 30-minute content routine. Creators who have been doing this for a while, but I definitely I tailor it towards creators who are just starting out. All you need is one call, and I look at where you're at, and I help you build a simple routine you can actually stick to as a busy woman. Because again, I know I can relate out for you, so that way you can just follow that blueprint, and then as you get comfortable, you can branch off and start, you know, you can start going and coming into your own, but just kind of having someone there to just hand you something to take something off your shoulders. It's nice. If you've been wanting someone to just sit down and sit with you and help you get this right, that call is for you. Oh, I realized I wasn't presenting this entire time. Okay, there we go. 30 minutes a day is not a lot of time, but it's enough, especially when you've got the right system behind it. Stop waiting for a big chunk of time that may never come. Start with 30 minutes tomorrow morning and see what happens. All of my routine called Booking Link. Everything is there. Subscribe if you want to keep following the journey. I'm posting every day this week. I'll see you in the next one.